Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check iPad iOS and that your carrier allows a personal hotspot, because without plan support, nothing will work. Once confirmed, go to Settings and enable cellular data, then Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This lets devices connect more reliably. Turn airplane mode off if it's on. Next, tap Personal Hotspot and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password. This secures the link and prevents bandwidth theft. Make these changes now, so the device is ready to share internet. Now enable the hotspot in Settings Personal Hotspot and choose Allow Others to Join. This makes the iPad visible to devices. If you need to, confirm the network name. Your iPad's name appears under About, so other devices connect to the correct SSID. For stubborn connections, use USB tethering to a computer or Bluetooth pairing to a phone. USB gives a stable link and avoids Wi-Fi interference. Once devices appear as connected, monitor the data meter to avoid surprise limits and to verify traffic is flowing. Finish by testing a real connection. Open a browser on the client device and load a page. If it fails, restart both the iPad and the client. Reboot clears caches and temporary network errors. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPad to remove faulty Wi-Fi or VPN rules. Note this erases saved networks and passwords. Finally, make sure carrier settings are up to date, and if the hotspot remains blocked, contact your carrier because some plans or provisioning can prevent tethering despite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.